Salam and peace be upon you, O father.
Hello, my son.
Where are you going, Dad?
I want to go to the market and buy some food. There is nothing to eat at home.
Dad, am I allowed to come to the market with you and help you? Oh, what good and fresh fruits.
Yes, son, let's take some fruit home.
Father, whose voices are those? And where are they coming from?
Let's go find out.
As soon as they heard the voice, both father and son followed the voice and saw that a small child was talking to his father.
Oh father, my stomach is hurting. I am very hungry. Father, father, I am hungry. Bring some food from somewhere.
We are your most needy servants who are present before you, and there is no one more compelled than us on this earth. God, we need you, don't let us down.
What is this prayer? I think I have heard this prayer before.
What happened, son? Is the sound coming from here?
Yes, Father, from here. And maybe you also heard the prayer of this person asking help from God. If I am correct, then this prayer is recorded in Safia a Sajjadiyah.
Yes, son, that's right, I have read it too. What a beautiful and heartfelt prayer.
Father, why did the Imam write this book?
Son, this book was written by the Imam because he was a prisoner and his companions and followers were not allowed to visit him. Therefore, the Imam wanted to convey the message of Islam and Prophet Muhammad's teachings to the people.
Shush. Silence. Speak slowly.
I was watching what's happening.
Meeting with Imam is almost impossible as they guard the house 24 hours.
I wish I could be able to meet His Excellency.
And he used to send messages to his companions by letter, and the Imam also began to record his prayers and messages in this book.
Father, did the Imam achieve his goal this way?
Yes, the Imam wrote many prayers for the people so they could learn to walk on the straight path and receive guidance through the many messages present in those beautiful prayers.
Well, was this the way the Imam used to convey his message to the people about the government of that time?
Yes, the Imam often wrote his political and economic speeches and advice in the form of prayers and sustained the people with his useful words and informed them of the cunning and evil government.
So, Father, didn't the government create obstacles and difficulties for Imam Sajjad?
Of course they did. Walid ibn Abdul Malik, the crown prince of Medina, who was afraid of the Imam's influence over the people, often wanted the circle of companions around the Imam to be small so that the Imam could not convey his knowledge and guidance to his followers.
Even in house arrest, Ali son of Hussein's influence is growing day by day.
We need to find ways to get rid of him, once and for all.
Poisoning is the best way.
Good, good. That seems more appropriate, no one will know.
Indeed, we will do it silently.
But his brother Hisham was in the forefront in this regard, even plotting to assassinate the Imam.
All praise to the great Almighty. Prayers is key pillar of Islam. We will not provide intercession to the people who will not give importance to their prayers.
The Imam was poisoned and killed by the order of Walid bin Abdul Malik.
Hello my child, this delicious apple is for you.
Thank you God, for providing food for us.